My name's Leah, and for those of you who have never seen an abacus, today is your lucky day. You're going to learn some very basic functions of what an abacus does, and later on how we can add and subtract using an abacus. So in order to learn to use an abacus properly, first you need to know the different parts. So here we go. We'll look at the beads down at the very bottom. These are our counting by ones, where our top beads are kind of special because they're counting by fives. So as I'm counting going through here, I'll use the bottom beads as I count 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 4. And once I get past 4, I'll be using the top beads to count 5. Another great thing, it's completely logically arranged. So what we do is all the far right beads are actually our ones, followed by our tens right here. Then our third row are our hundreds, then it keeps going to thousands and further on as we go. So it's very logically arranged. Let's start with the very basic kind of put a number up on the screen on the abacus. So let's start with the number 12. All right, we remember that our ones go along here and our tens would line up with the second row. So that would make 2 on this side, 1, 2 in our ones, and a 1 in our tens place. So that gives us the number 12. Okay, now let's do some addition. How about we add a simple number, plus 5, to our existing number that's already on the abacus. So plus 5, as we remember, we use any of the numbers below 4 on the bottom and any numbers above 5 here. So if we're adding above 5. In this case, it's a simple 5 bead. So we'll actually move 5s in the ones place, the 5 bead down. And that gives us, let's see, 1, 2 plus 5 equals 7. And there's still only 1 bead here. So our answer is now 17. Okay, now let's say we want to take that same number. Let's keep 17 up on the abacus. And let's do some simple subtraction now. So we've got a 7 in the ones place. And we still have a 1 in the tens place. And let's just reverse it. Let's say 17 minus 12. So here we go. So from our ones position, we're taking away 2. So let's take away the 2 beads. 1, 2. That leaves us with 5 left since that's on the top. Okay. And then from the ones position, we're taking away 1 bead. So look at that. So now we have none left. So our final answer is actually 5.